Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we'll discuss about list in Python. So we'll discuss list in Python. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to create a new file and save it as the documents and go to the Python programs. And here you have to save it as lists.py and click on save, right? So what is list? What is list? So it is a data type. It is a data type, right? It is a data type, right? What is list? It is a data type. So how can you declare a data type? How can you declare a data type, right? So we can declare by using my list, right? My list is equal to, and you have to open the square brackets. You have to open the square brackets, and here you have to specify the values. For example, I will specify apple, banana, right? And after that, I will give orange, right? Orange, right? We have given the list. We have given the list, right? This is my list. So how can you print it? Just print my list. That's it. Now press Ctrl S and click on F5. See, this is my list. This is my list, right? So in the list, so list can be changeable, right? And it is ordered. It is ordered and allows the duplicate duplicate values, duplicate values, right? For example, if I write orange again, if I write orange again, right? If I write orange again, so it is like you're having the duplicate values of orange, right? You are having two oranges in the list, right? So it is a duplicate values. So we will run it again. Let's see whether it will work or not. It will allow, list will allow the duplicate values. So let's save it and click on F5. It will print the duplicate values also, right? It will allow the duplicate values also, right? So with this, we can change, right? We can change. For example, for example, my my list of one one is equal to actual. So always index starts from, see here, the 0th index is apple, 1st index is banana, and second is orange, and third is orange, right? So I am changing the index 1 value to the actual, right? To the actual. So let's print it again. Let's save it and let's print it. See, we can, like I have changed the banana to the Achyut, right? So it is changeable. It is changeable, right? It is changeable. So we can, the list can be traversed like the index, right? List can be traversed through the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So like this, we can traverse it, right? So in this way, we can change it and it will allow the duplicate values. And what is ordered? So ordered means, for example, if you add any new things, it will be added on the end of the list, end of the list. So how to add it, I will explain in the next class, right? I will explain in the next class. So, and we will be having the length function in the list. How can you write it? Just write length and you have to write the variable name. That's it. My list. And save it and click on F5. See, it will give the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give the length. It will give the length. Right? So not only the strings, you can give anything. You can give anything. For example, list 1 is equal to, I can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The numbers will also allow us the duplicate values, right? And we can give list 2 is equal to, we can give the boolean values also, like sorry, true, false, right? In this way, we can repeat the boolean values also, right? Right? So I'll just print it. See, print list 1 and print list 2. So in this way, we can print the numbers, strings, and boolean values also. And click on Ctrl S and click on F5. See, it will print the strings and the list, and we can get the length function. How many values are there in the list? We can get the values count, and we can print the numbers. We can print the boolean values in the list. Right? For example, if I want the type of the list, I will write print type of my list. Right? Right? Save it and click on F5. See, it will giving the list. So list is a data type. It's a list data type, right? You can get the data type also. You can get the data type also. So in this way, we can use the list. In this way, we can use the list. So this is the basic introduction to the list in the Python. So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.